Hello. Now we will see how to invoke microservices via API gateway. Let us quickly go to our STS tool. Then here API gateway project is not available. For that we need to generate from spring.start.io, and here we have to select the dependencies. I am going to select the dependencies. Now we are going to choose gateway. So since our project is a gateway, we have to select the gateway, and our gateway should register at Eureka client because our gateway is going to request only Eureka service discovery. So for that, Eureka discovery client, and for any logs, webflex is needed. So you can take webflex, and project name you can define any name you can define. I'll define SP Cloud Gateway and generate the project. It will take few seconds of time to generate, download. Now project is downloaded. Go to downloads and extract here, and the SP Cloud is extracted. You can go to STS tool, then you can import as Maven project, browse, downloads, SP Cloud Gateway, then finish. It will take few seconds of time to get it complete. Meanwhile, we will see the architecture once again. So whenever client wanted to access microservices, he is not allowed to access the services directly. For that, we are defining API gateway, and via API gateway only Eureka it will check, and Eureka only going to verify the request and response. So as soon as the request comes, Eureka will identify with whether the API gateway is looking for student search or student details or account management. So this is the thing. Endpoint URL, we will be defining localhost 8082 for API gateway 8082, and for Eureka 8010, and other services for this microservices are registered at Eureka. For that 8010/Eureka we are defining. Let us get back to, yeah, this project has been completed. So SP Cloud has been, gateway has been defined. Now you can go and define here. This project is gateway project, and this has to recognize the Eureka client. So we need to define the enable Eureka client at the rate enable Eureka client, and you can see you can import. It is taking some time. Yes, it is recognized. Now properties we need to define, because we have defined here properties like port number is 8082. So server dot port is equal to 8082. You can define anything. So since I defined in architecture, I am defining 8082. Next, you need to define the application name. So server dot application dot name equal to API gateway. This is fine. Next one is it should recognize the gateway discovery. So for that, spring dot cloud dot gateway dot discovery locator dot enabled equal to true, and application dot name is giving some error. That one we need to see. Server, this is not a server, this is a spring dot application dot name. So error has gone. Now spring dot cloud dot gateway dot discovery dot locator dot lower case service id equal to true. This one is very important when you are accessing this URL, localhost URL, and after that this is a student's and status check, something like this, small letters, but gateway, Eureka gateway always taking as a capital letters. Why? Because here you can see like account management, you defined as a service name is account small ms, but if we are not defining lowercase, it will take as the default capital letters. That is the reason we are defining. Now our gateway last property we need to define as our gateway also should register at 8010 Eureka. Our gateway is running at 8082, but it should register at 8010 Eureka. Then only it will recognize. Now all the details are done. API gateway enabled equal to true, and the lowercase we have defined, and this is 8010. Now as earlier suggested, discovery client you need to start first. Then SP cloud gateway you need to start. You can verify whether your Eureka started or not. So far not yet started. Gateway also not started. Eureka is started. Gateway not yet started. You can verify gateway is started or not. SP cloud gateway, it is started. So go back to server and refresh. Gateway is started 8082. Now your services you need to start. Now Eureka is started, gateway started, then you need to start the services. So here services are account management service I am starting, and student search details or student details we need to start. Next, search student details. Now go back and see what are all the list of services started. So student detail service started, account management details started, search student details also started. Now earlier we were accessing via Eureka, we are clicking this. Now we are not going to click this URL. We are only going to click this 8082. Then we are having service name account main microservice slash account details. See, account management details is running fine. Means you are going to access via API gateway, that is 8082, and your service name is account microservice. After that, rest of the path. So rest of the path we are it is going to pick from here. Account and account details. And if you want to see the search student, so search student service details is search microservice, and controller is search and search student. So go back to your Eureka server and click this one 8082. You are going to search microservice, then search student. See, search student details are available. And likewise, account management also you can verify account management done, and student details. This is also another service, and this service name is student ms, and student controller, student and student details. So you can go and see here student ms microservice and student details. And I think I have given path is wrong, and student details, student capital letter, student, here something wrong, spelling wrong, student details. So student details also done. This is how we are accessing API gateway. Through API gateway we are accessing the microservices. We are not touching these microservices. We via API gateway we are only requesting to Eureka server. Why? Because this is our Eureka discovery client registry, and from here our gateway also registered, and here Eureka is providing this port number 8082 we defined, and under this we are going to define, and this microservice. So whenever client is consumer is requesting, this consumer is requesting, that time we are going to give this path only. We are going to give as account microservice. This is the path, this is the URL we need to give it to the consumers, and we can specify the another path. So complete path is this one. This is how we are defining API gateway. So this is a Spring Cloud API gateway, and this is a Eureka server, and this one. So via Eureka also we can request, and via API gateway also we can request. This is now this is a full-fledged application for accessing these services. So API gateway is validating, taking the request, and responding to the client. So here what we need to understand is client is nowhere related to interacting with the end user services. Client application only interacting with API gateway. From here it will provide in a big applications internal API gateway and external API gateway also. There are so many layers they will form here. But Eureka and these are all quite common for any big applications. This is what API gateway and Eureka server and integration with microservices. Thank you.